Hello, welcome guys to AWS use cases. Today we are going for basic use case number 2. So statement is enable SSL support for EC2 instance having HTTPD installed and test it over HTTPS. So if you don't know how to install HTTPD on EC2 instance, then please refer my first video, basic use case 1. So for that, for the same machine, we are going to enable SSL support so that we can access it over HTTPS. Let's start. So here we are on AWS console. We will search for EC2 dashboard. Okay, so I am having one machine running with HTTPD installed on it. So we will check what is the difference in HTTP and HTTPS first. So we can access the uh, public IP address over HTTP. Then we will get the proper output AWS use case executed successfully. So if we access same URL over HTTPS, then we will be getting error that the site cannot be reached. So here SSL is not enabled, so we don't have any certificate to connect to over HTTPS, and that's why we are getting the error. So let's see how to solve this problem. Okay, so before that, just want to confirm, uh, we have enabled HTTPS and HTTP, both the types, for in the security group. So how to enable that security group, you can refer in the first video with use case 1. Okay, so let's connect over the console. We are on console. Okay, so let's first check if HTTPD is enabled or not. Systemctl is enabled HTTPD. Okay, so it is enabled. So now here we will use the mod SSL module of Apache. So with the mod SSL module, we will create the certificate. So of course it is a dummy certificate. We will use it for testing, and let's see how to install. Sudo yum install y mod underscore SSL. Okay, so it is already installed on my machine. That's why it is just saying that it is already installed. So if it's not installed, then this command will install it on your EC2 machine. So after that, we will go to etc pki tls, and there we have folder called as a certs. So here we can check that here we have utility make-dummy-cert. So we are going to use this make-dummy-cert utility to create the certificate. So with the name localhost.cert. So we will create it make-dummy-cert localhost.cert. Okay, so we can check it is created. So just to check what is there inside the localhost, so we can see that private key is there and certificate is there. Of course guys, this is dummy certificate which got created with that utility. Okay, so for that one more thing we need to do here, because we have added this certificate, and here we can see that key is already there in the inside the certificate. So we just have to change one configuration which is in ssl.conf file. So it is present in etc httpd conf.d and ssl.conf. Okay, so let's first go to this folder and let's check. Okay, what is wrong? There's etc. Oh, sorry, it's httpd contact. So because of typos, we got the issues. Now we can go for ssl.conf file. Okay, so here you can see that this is the ssl.conf file, and here configuration is there for SSL. Here you can see that SSL engine is on, then other details are there. So we just have to comment the SSL private key, because that SSL private key is there in localhost file. So for that we will search SSL certificate key file. So this is the file which we will comment out. So this is the line which we will comment out. So this is this line is pointing to certificate key file. Okay, so we are commenting this localhost.key because we have this key inside the localhost certificate only. That's why we here we have the reference for localhost cert. So we don't want to refer this localhost.key. We just want to use the key which is present in localhost.cert only. That's why we are commenting this line. Okay, so after commenting this, we will just restart the HTTP systemctl. Let's start HTTP. Okay, so it is restarted. So now let's check whether our EC2 instance is accessible over HTTPS or not. So here you can see that we are getting the error that connection is not private. So we just have to proceed it unsafe, and we can see AWS use case executed successfully over HTTPS. So we have executed our use case completely. Thank you. Bye bye.